Well, hello, everybody. Are you curious? What is the free product of the month? What's on sale? And are there any insider information that you need to know about your doTERRA purchases this month? My name is Caroline Lee, and we're going to go over the March promotions with doTERRA. Come on and join me. All right, this month we're going to energize your nutritional habits with the March exclusive promotions. So let's talk a little bit about what is 10% off. This month only, you get ginger for 10% off. It is a newly sourced from Madagascar. And this doTERRA ginger essential oil is derived from the fresh rhizome of the ginger plant. That's a subterranean stalk of a plant that kind of shoots out of its root systems. It's really kind of cool. This is going to be available while supplies last. So you're looking at a wholesale price of $42.20 with a PV of 43.2. Or if you're a retail customer, it will be $57.60. So here are just some of the many ways that you can use ginger. So you can, let's see, it will help support a healthy digestion when you take it internally. So you can use that in a veggie cap. You can put it in a drop with a water and tea or lemon oil to support the digestive. It's got a lot of soothing and calming properties. So it's great not only to take internally for the digestive tract, but you can also diffuse it and get that calming and soothing aroma as well. You can also massage it over the lower abdomen for a soothing massage. So say you have a maybe a little bloating or gassy feeling from something that you ate that day, you can just put a drop. And then I like to add a little bit of fractionated coconut oil there and massage that on there for those occasional indigestion when we need a little bit of help. So we wanted to give you a lot more ways on how you can use this amazing oil. So I've got some diffuser recipes for you. I'm actually really excited to try this creativity blend. I think it's going to smell great with the grapefruit and bergamot. We also have a cozy core with ylang-ylang, ginger, and tangerine. So I want to give you lots of ideas of how to use this this amazing essential oil. And then I did want to give you a DIY. So something a little bit out of the box if you've never made your own sugar scrubs. Sugar scrubs are great, especially you need to exfoliate your skin and get those dead skin cells off. I am super white, and so if I don't use a sugar scrub on my body, I tend to have a lot of white, flaky stuff, and it's a mess. So as we enter in the warmer weathers, and we're going to be wearing shorts here in Georgia, I thought I would just give you this one. This one has brown sugar, like turbinol sugar, fractionated coconut, lime, and ginger oil on there. It makes it super easy. You scrub it for 30 seconds until the sugar dissolves, and then you'll rinse it with warm and pat dry. So you can do that for your face, or you can do it as a body scrub. Both of these are great. So the ginger lime brown sugar scrub. Let me know if you try that. I would love to hear back from you. All right, let's talk a little bit about the free product of the month. So this is for our wholesale members who are on the loyalty rewards program. This is an optional program that you can go into when you are a member, but you just pick a date. For this to qualify, you have to do an order before March 15th. And as long as it's 125 PB value or more, and it runs before that March 15th date, you'll receive the free doTERRA fiber sample sachets. So I think you get 3 of them. This is an exclusive version of our permanent product. So if you've never tried our fiber, you're in for a real treat. So I just want to ask you, did you know that according to the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine, even with a healthy diet, most people only get half the amount of fiber that they need? Only half, right? So the FDA recommends about 25 to 38 grams of a dietary fiber every day, depending on your age, your weight, and your gender. And that's a lot of raw vegetables and bowls of oatmeal. So doTERRA's fiber was created as a convenient and delicious way to supplement your fiber intake. So 1 serving of the doTERRA fiber provides 6 grams of soluble and insoluble fiber. It includes the certified pure tested grade lemon essential oil, natural vitamin C, and a unique prebiotic blend. So how you would use it would be you take 1 fiber sample sachet with 10 ounces of a liquid, and you'll drink it immediately. You shake it up, stir it up, and then you'll drink it to promote a healthy digestive function. So this goes right along with the ginger, and certainly you can add a drop of ginger if you like that combo in there as well. But you can see all the amazing benefits that they have here. Helps maintain a healthy microbiome, healthy digestive function. Oh, well, let's see, it supports the immune system, the metabolic processes, weight management goals. And it has that lemon apple flavored taste. So I think it tastes really, really good. And I really enjoy having this in my supplement arsenal. I do want to mention this again. I know last month we mentioned that the baby products are back, but I do want to let you guys know as we head into a lot of baby showers in the spring, this might be a wonderful addition for you to use. So it's got the baby body wash, we've got the baby lotion, and we have the diaper cream. So lots of definitely yummy stuff and essential oils like roman, chamomile, and lavender, and even vanilla in these products. You know you're going to smell, your baby's going to smell great, but it's also going to have some very gentle and very soothing products for you and your little one. So the wholesale price for that is $39.50. I'm sorry, I don't have the retail price in front of me, but if you go to doTERRA.com, you can pull that right up. All right, let's talk about if you got started in February, what do you need to do in March? And that is simply place a 100-point loyalty rewards order. If you do it 125 before the 15th, you will get the free product of the month, which is those fiber sachets as well. But once you do that, then you will qualify for the 100 free doTERRA dollars, and then you can redeem that in the month of April and be able to get $100 worth of free product then. So that's great. So now is a perfect time to get started with doTERRA and get enrolled. We do have for new customers, you can customize your own enrollment kit of 150 PV through March 31st, and you will get your free wholesale account. No $35 membership fee for you no longer. So just wanted to entice you, if you're ready to get started with doTERRA, feel free to message me or reach out to me. I would love to help you get the essential oils at the best price, as well as education along with that. With that, have a fabulous March and have a blessed day, you guys. Take care, my friends.